If you're thinking of dropshipping these 3 things, stop it right now.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm serious, bro. Like, if you actually want to dropship these things, you might as well just cash at me the money you were planning to spend on ads, because you're not going to make any sales trying this. I'm going to explain, in my opinion, what the 3 worst products are right now for Shopify dropshipping, and why you need to avoid them if you want to make any sales. Please leave a like and a comment if you can think of any more horrible niches. Let's get right into it. First is that damn sunset lamp. I cannot believe in 2023 people are still trying to create stores for this thing, man. They are everywhere. Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook have ads for these things basically every single time you log into your social media. It's getting annoying at this point. Don't get me wrong, this was a good product. It had the coolness and the wow factor to get some attention. The issue is now, it's way too oversaturated. And since everybody knows about it, they could just get it on Amazon for cheap and with faster shipping. If you were thinking of giving this product a go, I'm sorry, my friend, that ship has sailed. Product number 2 is a weird one, because lots of guys try this for some reason, and that's women's clothing. I get the thinking behind it. Women do lots of online shopping, and especially for clothing. With the likes of Shine, Sheen, however it's pronounced, and Fashion Nova, and all these other brands, it seems like it would make sense. The problem is, you don't have a standardized sizing system that makes your orders consistent. Women's clothing on Shopify is notorious for having items that don't fit at all like the sizing suggested it would. You're gonna have your customers' fits looking like this. Bruh. Which will lead you to dealing with refunds and chargebacks, which is gonna kill your store. Lastly, this is somewhat related, but it's watches. These watches actually look amazing in the product photos. As someone who's not a big watch guy myself, I can't really tell from the product photos the difference between them and a lot of the more fancy brands that exist. But let me tell you from experience, bro. The Aliexpress watches are ass. Bruh. I bought one from Wish and it looked and felt so bad. The material was trash and it wasn't comfortable at all. And it just looked so cheap in person. I probably would have looked better wearing a Ben 10 watch on my wrist. And don't tell me, oh, but you can get a watch with good reviews. I did, bro. It had great reviews and they were amazing. It turns out a lot of the reviews were fake. I'm glad I didn't even try dropshipping these because I definitely would have gotten a crazy amount of refunds and chargebacks. Big waste of money. So yeah, those are the 3 worst products to start dropshipping right now in 2023. Hopefully that was simple and quick to the point for you guys. I'll be making more videos in the future about Shopify and overall making money online methods, so make sure to subscribe so we can meet again. Peace.